Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making this delicious barbecue chicken wings. I start by washing my chicken wings with vinegar and lime and then pat them dry with a paper towel. So these are some clean chicken wings that I have here. Next, I'm going to season these wings and let them marinate for 1 hour. And you do not have to use the same season that I use. You can use any season of your choice and it will come out perfect and delicious just the way that you will love it. And if you're new to my channel, welcome guys. Do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe for more recipe. So I prepare a baking tray by covering it with aluminum foil and spray it with some olive oil. This will allow the chicken wings not to stick to the bottom of the foil paper. And then I went ahead and I placed the chicken wings on the tray and preheat the oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit and bake the wings for 35 minutes. But it all depends on the oven that you're using. After 35 minutes, this is how it is looking, so delicious and juicy. Remove the wings and then you're just going to coat them gentle with the barbecue sauce. Now onto the star of the dish. So I use some ketchup, brown sugar, vinegar, honey, and some store barbecue sauce that I have. I combine everything and stir it well. Simmer it for 2 minutes and medium heat. Once done, go ahead and generously coat them with the barbecue sauce that you just created. Now return the wings to the oven for additional 10 minutes. And there you have it, our barbecue chicken wings is complete. I am happy with my result. It is so delicious. You can have it with anything that you like or you can have it alone.